guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig, and I'm just showing you the box because yeah, this is going to be a straight out of the box video. Now they did send over this beginner wig kit, some flyaway tamer, and a wig cap. The unit that I will be showing you today is their messy loose wave bob, and it is a silky texture. That's what it looks like straight out of the box, and you can already see that parting space. Like yeah, I already know that's gonna look nice. But this is a 13 by 6. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap, and you also have your elastic band, and this is 160% in density. Make sure that the cap was on right because my hair is not flat in the back, so I had to kind of pull it up a little bit more. So I opened up the flyaway tamer and it was a little bit chunky. It was coming off and I was like, uh-oh, what's going on? But I'm going to be using my hot comb just to kind of press everything back for a nice and sleek look. As you can see, they did go ahead and pluck out that hairline. It looks good. I don't feel like I'm going to have to do any extra plucking, and I'm just going to make sure to lay the top down really nice and flat also. I'm just gonna cut off some of the lace on the side of my ear, and y'all, I cut off a little bit too much, but that's okay because we gonna get it together. Okay, don't fret. We gonna get it together. I should have left a little bit more on the side, but I do plan on wearing this glueless, so I'm gonna make sure that it blends in. Like, don't get scared yet. Don't get scared. We gonna make it work. So once I cut everything off, I was like, it's not too bad. It's a little short, but it's not too bad. So what I'm going to do is use some bobby pins and just kind of tuck that lace in on the side. And you can see that it blends well on the side with my edges and sideburns. So hey, it works out. Now I will be doing a glueless install today because the lace was already blended into my skin. Really didn't feel like dealing with any adhesive spray, no glue, no gel, no none of that. So this is going to work. So I'm just using a little bit of my mousse and then going around the hairline area with my edge brush, and then you'll just kind of see me swooping over some hairs, but not like purposely pulling the hairs out to swoop them. I want them to look like they belong. Once I am done swooping and everything, making everything look natural, then I am going to place my elastic band in the front of the hairline so that everything can kind of dry down and marinate. Did cut into the frontal. I noticed a little bit of shedding, so I had to comb through and make sure all of that was out. And then I'm just going to take my wand curler and I am going to recurl those hairs in the front that I feel like fell a little bit flat. Now this does come pre-styled. Mine has been sitting in the box for a while, so that is why I'm retouching it up. And you'll notice that I'm only doing like the front sections. I'm not gonna mess with the back at all. Me no time to do that since I didn't do the whole head. So now I'm just going to remove my elastic band, and it looked like I melted this down and I didn't. So I'm just kind of combing those little short hairs out of the way, and then I'm going to go in and put a little bit of powder in the front and also a little bit on the side. I didn't have to really do much because this does have the deep bleached knots. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum and kind of run my fingers through these waves. Because it is a silkier texture, I did notice a little bit of frizziness, but this is going to help tame it. This is the final look, and she is definitely cute. Once again, I have the 14-inch. Now this unit does start at 12 inches. It goes up to 26, but I like this in the shorter style. Now the front of this hairline is on point. The lace is on point, and the deep bleach knots, it's on point. And of course, you get a 13x6, so you get some versatility. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this wavy bob. This is a super cute, easy and quick style. As you guys can see, I installed this using no adhesive. I just bobby pinned the sides down, which I feel like look really good. And then I also just added a little bit of mousse to the front so the lace can lay down a little bit better so it can seem flawless. I didn't put any powder in the front of the hairline because I don't feel like it was needed. Did a little swoopy swoops and then just tied it down with my elastic band. And then I added a few little waves in here with my wand curler, and yeah, she's giving very effortless. Straight out of the box, I feel like the waves still look really good. Mine was sitting in the box for a while, so I'm sure if you take this out straight away, then you're not gonna really have to recurl anything. But I just had to fix up the front. I didn't have to go into the back. I feel like it looks really cute. Now this length is cute also, especially for the upcoming spring and summer. It's not doing too much. It's very lightweight, but you can see this does have a really good amount of density to it. But I don't feel like it's so heavy to where I need to snatch it off if it gets too hot. So yeah, this is definitely perfect. The knots already come bleached on this, so I did just put a little bit into the parting space just to kind of open it up. And when I tilt my head down, you can definitely see that this does go further back. It goes like right here. It does go further back, and of course you can part this on the side if you choose to, but this does come pre-parted as a middle part. And your hairline does come pre-plucked. You guys seen I took it straight out the box. Do any extra plucking or anything, it just looks good as is. This is a silky texture. It does have some frizziness going on. Now with this type of style, I don't mind a little bit of frizz. I want to go in with some serum just to kind of help control it a little bit so that it doesn't get out of control. Didn't really notice a lot of shorter hairs. I did use the wax stick at the top and also around the hairline just to kind of flatten everything out and smooth those hairs down. I noticed just like a little bit popping up still, but not too much to where I feel like it's annoying. I'm really noticing any tangling going on at this moment. Even with running my fingers through it, the hair feels really nice and soft. I did receive a little bit of shedding, but that's because I did cut into the frontal because I like for my frontal to sit above my ear, and it was just coming over a little bit. And that, I don't have any cons when it comes to this unit. Like I said, I think it's a cute, effortless style. You're not gonna have to do too much to it. It's gonna be cute for the weekend and also the office. Definitely dress this up and dress it down. But let me know what you guys think about this cutie. I am loving that it looks really good glueless. Of course, I can always do the little lace test for you just to show that, you know, I can pop it up. But with that tinted Swiss lace, it's just helping to lay it down even better and kind of melt into my skin without having to worry about any glue or adhesive. If you are feeling this style, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.